This is Avi here again. Let's look at Nvidia for a moment. This is just an update from the previous post that I had. So I did say Nvidia is in a symmetrical triangle right here, and you expect to see price probably just bounce back and forth within this triangle until direction is decided. Um, so we have here, we had a gap fill at 101.52 to 96. As you see, we had it come down, fill that gap, went back up, created a symmetrical triangle, trading above the 200 EMA. Now, something that I want you to notice, so you'll probably see just this happening back and forth, just come back down, test, up, come back down, just probably just keep doing this until it goes up, goes down, direction is going to be picked. If it got rejected off of, if it does break this symmetrical triangle to the bottom, and I reject it off here, the gap fill, it's going to come back down here to fill this, most likely. It's going to come all the way back down here, maybe around 76 first, and you'll probably have what you call a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 wave back down, or an ABC. Anyways, or you just have it break up. Anyways, let's see. So this is something I want you to note. It's in a symmetrical triangle. It's just going to play. It's just going to bounce back and forth. But for the day traders, what we're looking at here, we're looking at the daily chart. The first thing you'll notice is this, right here. Sort of a shooting star again, as we saw with a SPY on the daily. So this is quite bearish. Look at the volume. Volume picked up. So we have increased volume here. And we have you're getting signal here. This is like dojis, which is signaling probably a potential reversal. So you had two of them, then you could not break above this level right here. That's a bearish reversal pattern right here you're seeing forming. So if you look at, let's do here. So it came back down 718. So this is like a wave 1 in a way. Wave 1, 2, and you're having wave 3 starting to form, possibly, potentially. But anyways, the one thing I want you to notice is this. It tends to come back down around the 0.786 fib whenever it decides to reverse back down or retrace. So that's what I want you to pay attention to. Let's do this again. Let's start here. Let's take the top. Here you go. You had the reversal, come back down, retraces right back down somewhere around the 0.786 fib. You get the point. Now, let's do this. Let's take it from here. Go to the top. So, where I think this is going next is this. It's here. This is increased volume. I think Nvidia is coming back down to around 105 area, between 108 to 105. I think you're going to see come down back. Well, there's always a potential of Nvidia coming back down here, but I don't think it will. I think it's going to come back down to around between 105.20, between this area, 108 to 105. Somewhere here. Just mark that level for you right here. Somewhere here. That's what I think is going to happen. So I think you're gonna see, price, target. I think that's where you're gonna see Nvidia coming down back, between this level here. Okay, I hope that was helpful. 108, 105 area. So you can see it keep bouncing back and then up again and down again until the direction is picked, guys. This is symmetrical triangle. The direction has to be picked. But let's look at the 4 hours. We're talking volume price analysis here. You had sort of a shooting star. You had two dojis signaling a reversal. Could not break above the closing right here of this one, this doji right here. Then we're going to look at the 4 hours to see what's really going on in the 4 hours. When you notice, look at the 4 hours. This is insane. Huge shooting star. You have increased volume. That is bearish. So what am I looking for when market is opening tomorrow? So I'm not looking for just a drop. What you want to see something like this. Let's take the top. Let's come back down here. So you want to see probably a rejection about 116 area, maybe, or even off of the around 116, right where the 200 EMA is. Or yeah, right around this area. Possibly you could go up more, 117. So you can have something of the sort like this. Let me see if I could find it. Maybe right there. Maybe come up to the 116 area right here, right at the top. Retest the top with low volume, and then you have the price come back down somewhere here. So let's just remove this, and let's just do a extension. If you do have the price come back here, so yeah, you're gonna see, yeah, there you go. So C wave tend to be, I had a 1 between 1 to the 1.618 fib, which is around 104. So you have somewhere around this area. That's what I'm expecting to happen. It's the daily closing is quite bearish in these, so I'm not gonna lie about that. So I'm expecting to see a little bit more upside. You want to see in the morning what happens. Just don't jump into calls or anything. Yeah, there's some potential for upside, but you want to be cautious of it as well. How that goes. This here is Nvda, and if you look at, let's look at the 1 hour as well. If you look at the 1 hour, you're pretty much having sort of a shooting star here in a 1 hour, and then you have this is increased volume. This is pretty decent volume. And then you have the big red candle, really high volume as well, matching shooting star. And then look at the upside. This is moving up, but look at the volume. It's really nothing in terms of volume. So you might see something a little bit more upside. All right, retest this high, which is pretty much like a supply zone right now, and then you see price moves down. So I'm a bit bearish, more bearish than I am bullish. All right, hopefully that was helpful. All right, guys, later.